I want you to understand in trading, no strategy on the face of this planet Earth is 100%. You will lose. That is the business and nature of trading. But understanding that the strategy that I'm going to show you today, uh, you will win more than you lose if you follow the rules. The key is to not overthink the process. One of the things that stumbled me in the beginning was trying to combine strategies. You know, I was trying to combine harmonics with ICT concepts. That didn't work. I was trying to combine supply and demand with SMC. That didn't work. What truly works is using one strategy that you recognize and that helps you understand the market, and then using that to your advantage to do this day in and day out. Okay. And understand that you will not find your setup every day in the market. There is a setup every day in the market, but sometimes you won't find your setup, the one that you're looking for. And that's perfectly okay. You have to be with okay, not trading every single day. Okay. Now, the strategy that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you two. I'm going to show you a swing trading strategy, and I'm also going to show you a scalping strategy. Okay. Both these strategies are very, very, very simple. First one is called the GSA strategy. I've been using this for a very, very long time. It has helped me be a consistently profitable trader and understand that I don't use any other concepts or strategies with this strategy if I'm looking for this. Okay. So the very first thing that I like to do, I like to use tools when I'm trading, right? Tools make trading a lot easier. I don't care what anyone says. Naked chart trading is very, very difficult. And to me, it is stupid. Okay. Why, uh, why do something like that when you have tools that can help you understand where you are in the market? And if you understand these tools and know how they work, you can become very, very consistent and successful with your trading. So, my name is Vinnie. I came up with this indicator called the cheat code indicator. Reason why I call it the cheat code is because it's a highly, highly accurate indicator that's going to give you buy and sell signals. One of the most difficult things about trading is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. Okay. So if I turn on the indicator, you guys are going to see that it gives you buy and sell signals. Okay. Now, with this indicator, you get two types of buy and sell signals. The first one that you're going to get is a CC buy or CC sell. Okay. The next one are going to be highlighted with buy or sell. Okay. So we have a green buy and a red sell. Those are just divergence buy and sell signals. So it's just an early warning letting you know that price is going to reverse. Okay. But the ones that we're looking for is for the CC buy or sell signals, because those are the ones that are letting us know that there are extremes in the market, and the extremes in the market offer you the highest probability trade, highest probability of a trade going in your direction. Okay. So with the GSA strategy, we base this off the 4 hour time frame. So it's a 4 hour signal, 1 hour break and retest. That is it. Do not overthink the process. Okay. You are looking for a signal on the 4 hour time frame, a CC buy or a CC sell, and then the next thing on the 1 hour time frame, you're looking for a 1 hour break and retest for you to enter into the market. So let's show you this example here on USD Swiss. Okay. So right now we're looking at a 4 hour signal, which I have circled here. We have a CC sell with a divergent sell signal. So that's the first thing I'm looking for. Okay. I'm not looking for anything else. I don't care about where price is at. I don't care about fair value gaps, imbalances, accumulation, distribution, none of that. It doesn't matter. Okay. This is the first thing I'm looking for. CC buy or CC sell. The very next thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. And on the 1 hour time frame, here's what I'm looking for. This is the same exact area on the 4 hour time frame. Okay. We have a divergent sell signal and a CC sell signal. All right. So next thing I'm looking for in between the bands is just going to be what we call HMA, Hall Moving Average. Okay. We only use the Hall Moving Average for our entries. So I'm looking to enter into the market. So once I have a 4-hour signal, I'm coming down to the 1-hour time frame because I'm looking for a break and a retest. Okay. So I'm looking for a break of the Hall Moving Average. So the Hall Moving Average is here. It was coming up. Price came down and closed. You see these candles. When I say price, I mean the candles. When price closed after the HMA, that is what we call a break. When price closes after the candles, that is what we call a break. When the candles close after the HMA, that is what we call a break. So price broke the HMA, came down to this support in this 1-hour time frame, and then pop back up. Okay. So we're looking for a break and retest of the previous high. So price never made it up to this previous high here, and that's totally fine. That's not going to happen each and every time. But the chart allowed us for 2 possible entries. We have a possible re-entry here. Let me turn off the indicator. So we have a possible re-entry here for our retest and also here for the retest. Okay. So essentially all I'm looking for, guys, is M's and W's. Okay. M's and W's are not going to be perfect when it comes to trading. Okay. So that's an M and this is a W. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. That is my setup. That is my strategy. Okay. We see we have a M scenario here, right? It's not a perfect M, but it's definitely a M, right? It happens all the time in the market. All the time in the market. All the time in the market. Understanding this is so key. So now you know what you're looking for. Okay. Got the M, price broke down, came back up to retest. Okay. It never made it back up to this high. That is totally fine. But guess what? This is where the real move happens. Okay. That's the real move. We're looking for that second leg. We're looking for that second leg to get in on this right here. In these 2 areas here, let's say we entered. Doesn't have to be a perfect entry. Who cares about perfect entries? We're swing trading. Okay. Price dropped from our entry. Let's see. 62 pips. And we still have more downside to go. Okay. So this is the swing trading method that we use with the cheat code indicator. Okay. We get our signals from the HPS scanner. This is a high probability scanner. It scans any instrument, whether it's Forex, crypto, stocks, bonds, futures, whatever it is. You can add it to the scanner. It will scan the market and look for the highest probability setups. When there's no signals, that means either the market is closed or there's no signals right now. There's no high probability setups. So again, that keeps you out of the market, right? We only take setups from the HPS scanner. Now, moving back on to our strategy. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. So you guys know what that is now. Now let's move on to our bread and butter strategy. Reason why we call this a bread and butter strategy, because you can find a setup every single day. Okay. So if you guys go back and look at my free Telegram group, you guys are going to see that I posted every single day where I make profit in the market using this bread and butter strategy. Okay. Now you can use it for all instruments, but it works best for US 30, NAS, and gold. Okay. You can use it for all instruments, but it works best for US 30, NAS, and gold. Reason why? Because those are instruments that's going to provide you a setup every single day, every day. So right now we're on the New Zealand dollar. So I just want to show you how this works. Again, we're going to turn on the cheat code indicator. And what we're looking for on the bread and butter strategy is we're looking for a 1-hour signal in a 15-minute break and retest. So this is the 1 hour time frame over here, and this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, some people like to enter on the 5 or 1 minute. For me, I just simply like to use a 1 hour 15-minute time frame. Okay, so right now we're looking to take a buy. So the 1 hour time frame is going to provide us with direction. Okay, the 1 hour time frame is going to provide us with direction. So we had a CC buy here with a divergence buy. Okay, and we got our direction on the 1 hour time frame. So let's turn on the indicator. So what we're looking for is a CC buy. We also had divergence, but we also got this, what we call a high probability spike. Okay. So that's exactly what I'm looking for when I'm scalping the market. If I do not get a CC buy or CC sell with a high probability spike, I'm not trading that. I only trade this bread and butter strategy when I get a CC buy or CC sell and a high probability spike. So we had one over here on for a sale, and you can see that price dropped. Now we're getting one for a buy. You can see price is already pushing up. Okay, and this is the futures market. Okay, so we got our direction. 1 hour time frame. We got a CC buy, divergence buy, high probability spike. Boom. Once I see that, the next thing I'm going to do is go down to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm looking for a break and retest. What are we looking for? M's and W's. W's for buys, M's for sales. M's and W's. So I turn off the indicator. You're going to see a beautiful W pattern. We have a W pattern right here. Okay. Then price went up. Real move again is on that second leg. Real move happens on that second leg. Okay. So what are we looking for? Let's turn on the indicator again. We're simply looking for price to break the Hall moving average, or you're looking for the candles to close after the Hall moving average and come back and retest these lows. Okay. Price is either going to come back and retest the high or the low. Price will retest the high or the low. So if you're looking for a buy, price is going to try to come back and retest its lows. It never made it. That is totally fine. We know that price is going to start to head up in a different direction. Now, it doesn't have to come back, and I don't care if we get a second CC buy like we have here on the 15-minute time frame. I don't care if it touches the HMA. All I'm looking for is for price to come back and try to retest this low. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. If it happens to touch an HMA, great. It doesn't have to. If it happens to go outside the band, great. It doesn't have to. Okay. I'm just looking for price to come back and retest this previous low. Once it does that, then we're looking to take our entry. Okay. Once we take our entry, we know the price is going to go up. This is the scalping method. So we're not going to be in this trade for a very long time anyway. Okay. I probably would have got out when price broke this previous high and got my money and been done with this trade. So those are the two strategies, guys, that I look for every single day. I don't look for anything else. I don't care about what else is going on in the market. Long as I see that setup, I'm going to take it every single time. Okay. With the strategy, you're going to lose. Understand that. But you will win more than you lose if you do it consistently like a robot. Follow your rules. 4-hour signal, 1 hour break and retest, or 1 hour signal, 5 or 15-minute break and a retest. It's just that simple. Doesn't get any more difficult than what I just showed you. So if you want access to this cheat code indicator so you can become a consistently profitable trader, if you follow the rules, you can click the link at the bottom of this video. Okay, click the link at the bottom of this video. Other than that, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.